Dear friends, this is Dr. Raman Abrol. I am a senior consultant at Chandigarh, and we are going to have a webinar. We are going to discuss the various aspects of mucociliary clearance in the nasal diseases, the role of saline irrigations, which promotes the mucociliary clearance and which in turn helps the nasal pathologies. This is going to be the topic, and I hope it is going to be a nicely participated discussion. The age-old technique, which is indigenous to India, like Jal Niti and all, there is a scientific basis, and we are going to discuss that scientific basis, which we feel that it's very, very useful in controlling the nasal diseases and the sinus pathologies. We have a very significant role of saline irrigations in post-op surgery in patients, especially the FES and the endoscopic sinus surgery noses, which improve very fast, heal very fast with irrigations. And I hope all of you will enjoy the discussion, and I look forward to seeing you there. I welcome you all there.